What's up, you guys? We are back for another video, and in this video I will be doing the glitter swirl nail design. I've been seeing this design on my timeline and have been wanting to do it for so long, so I went online and purchased me some glitter. I will put a link in the description box below. And guys, this glitter was not expensive and it came with so many different pretty colors. Y'all, it took me a little minute to figure out which colors I even wanted to use because it was so many that I was just liking. But you guys, the glitter is very fine, which is also what I wanted. So I will also be using some nail art brushes, thin nail art brushes that I also got online, and you can get that in a link in the description box. And I will also be using my Mia Secret clear gel top coat polish. So as you guys can see, I went ahead and took the longer bristled nail brush and dipped it into the polish. And now I am just painting the polish onto my nail in the design of a swirl. Y'all, I did try to go online and look for some swirl designs for like inspiration. I could not find any. So I will be doing this just like freestyle, but pretty much just start swirling it onto the nail in the design of your choice. Now that that design is on, I am just sprinkling the glitter onto the nail, and then I'm going to cure it. All right, y'all, let's see what we're working with. Y'all, I was so nervous when I was dusting off that excess glitter to see what the line looks like, and I actually am pleased with how this first line is looking. There are a few pieces of glitter that are a little bit out of tact, but for the most part it's not like so out of tact to where the line doesn't like look as formed as I had originally planned for it to be. So it's looking all right so far. All right, girl, I see you. All right, you all, so now I am just dipping my brush back into the gel polish. And y'all, I am just really loving this glitter. Like, I already had glitter before I decided to do the design, but the reason why I wanted to just purchase some new ones is because I wanted to get some that was really fine. Because y'all know, like, sometimes y'all put glitter onto stuff, like there will be like some excess pieces of glitter sticking out of like the glue line that might like, you know, make it look not as straight. And I felt like the fine glitter would help me avoid that. I feel like it has been mission accomplished because I am really liking how these lines are coming out. Like, these lines is looking like I does this when this is my first time doing this style. And it's really just this fine glitter because it is so easy to work with in terms of trying to do these swirl designs because there's not so many pieces sticking out. Now, I did see a couple of pieces here and there, so I just went ahead and took my drill bits and shaved off those little pieces, but for the most part it is this fine glitter that's doing all the work. Also, you guys, if you are liking this video so far, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and please subscribe to the channel. I will be uploading videos weekly. If you have any videos that you want to see, feel free to go ahead and drop them into the comments. I do read my comments, and just let me know what you would like to see on my channel. So now we are just putting on the last little final touches of glitter for this design. And you all, I really love how this came out. Like, I'm just really loving this. I just went ahead and put some clear gel top coat on it, and I'm just going to put it under the lamp. And y'all, this is what we are left with. I went ahead and put some white lines in between those swirls just to give it a little bit of pizzazz. And y'all, I am just in love with how it came out. As I said before, it was really that fine glitter that did all the work. And y'all, I am just really pleased with the results. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop a comment down below. And until next time.